sun hangs low, the river glows, painting shadows on my way. As I walk a winding path, the world at dusk begins to play. Golden rays brush the water's face, where ripples dance in time. The whisper of the breeze calls me with melodies that rhyme. Birds above in silver flight, they dip and sway with ease, singing stories of the day to the rustling of the trees. Every step, every sigh echoes in this wide expanse, each note carried softly in this evening's dance. The river hums a lullaby, the sky's a canvas wide, and as the sun sinks deeper, I feel you by my side. Walking by the river as the day waves goodbye, with feathered friends around me, painting colors in the sky. I'll hold these moments close, let my heart be the guide, in the whispers by the river, where our dreams coincide. Beneath the arching trees, where shadows softly play, I weave through laughter, weaves through whispers, and each gentle sway. The call of a distant songbird flutters through the air. I close my eyes and listen, let the currents pull me there. Time slows down, the colors blur, the sunset paints my soul. With every feathered note that drifts, it mends what's lost and whole. I walk between the echoes, a silhouette aglow, in this tapestry of twilight. I find what words don't show. Walking by the river as the day waves goodbye, with feathered friends around me, painting colors in the sky. I'll hold these moments close, let my heart be the guide, in the whispers by the river, where our dreams coincide. Walking by the river as the day waves goodbye, with feathered friends around me, painting colors in the sky. I'll hold these moments close, let my heart be the guide, in the whispers by the river, where our dreams coincide. As darkness starts to wrap around, the twilight bids adieu. I'll carry all these memories, with thoughts of me and you, in each whisper by the river, with echoes soft and true.